We have the opportunity now to sort of preview and start showing the public that there is an S60 still coming, that we're continuing on with this emphasis now on putting modern Scandinavian design in towards the Volvo brand, taking what we did on the XC60 concept, the XC60 production car, but taking up into the next level. So adding more emotion, making the vehicle more dynamic, and of course taking that step towards more visionary ideas as well.
Something like this, perhaps?
Yes, I think that would be really nice for the seats to have this dark background.
It probably will help the instrument panel to appear.
I just realized when I kick light off.
What do you think?
Well, is it going to be exact? In the beginning of this concept car project, Steve Mettin told us that in this particular car we should really strive for expressing premiumness more than perhaps we have ever done in a Volvo car. Well, this car's interior contains many new interesting shapes that we will see in future Volvo interiors. It also explores what we can do with different materials, like the copper, the way that we use wood in this car, and also the way that we use leather on the seat in this car.
I loved this process of doing this concept car. I mean, first it's a four-door sedan, which is a very sexy, sporty car. And with that proportions, you can really sort of have fun with it, you know, and really try some emphasize the lamps and give a much more focused look to the front, and also aggressive rear, and really get some new ideas across. So.
In this particular car, I think that the crystal center stack is an exponent of what premium could be in a Scandinavian car.
I think Scandinavian design is to really lift out and work with the material and the form at the same time, and make it just as important. And that is really something that we have tried for this car, lifting out. So, for example, the center stack where we have the crystal glass, the material is speaking just as much as the form.
We want to provoke a little bit on one side, but we also took a colour which we found to be very Scandinavian. If you look at the rock formations, you look at the summer light, and this very sort of coppery glow that you see there from the sunlight, we wanted to bring into the vehicle. You can see the connection to the past, the do not abandon approach, the vertical front end, the V shape, the shoulder, but everything has a new interpretation now. We talk about the DNA, do not abandon, but now a dramatic new approach, and you can see a lot more emphasis on those strong elements that the brand has, really to distinguish it from the competition, but also promote then the brand in a different way. I feel absolutely fantastic now. I mean, just looking at the car behind me, what a wonderful job, a great car, and a credit then to the whole team who have put this together.